Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Salt for network automation. I will not show you the installation of Salt itself, I will do a video for that later. In this specific example I will show you how to use Salt to connect to the network device, and by using CDP protocol we will generate reports of directly connected devices to our network devices. Okay, so some brief explanation of Salt architecture. It is the Salt master, which is the core component of it. Then we have network devices, routers or switches, and we have proxy minion, which are men in the middle, which are basically communicating directly with the network devices, and then they are forwarding the information to master. In my setup, master and proxy minion are running on the same machine, so it's one box in two rows of master and the minion. Okay, and my lab looks like this. I have the Ubuntu server virtual machine, which is in the row of master and proxy minion, and there I have two layer 3 switches, and all is in this IP address space. Okay, now I on my Ubuntu virtual machine. Salt is already installed and pre-configured, so I will show you just some important configuration files, not all of them. So here is, for example, master configuration file, minion configuration file, proxy. Now I will show you pair files where are stored the information about our devices. So I will use these two files. They are for my two switches. Here is the type of proxy, napalm, so we will be using two napalm for connection to the device. There is the operating system, IP address and credentials. Basically the second switch is pretty the same, just different IP, and there is the top file, which is like doing pairing between the proxy minions. This is the proxy ID or name of the proxy, and here are the pillar files, which are actually those SLS files, where basically saying that this proxy minion has access to these files. We have like two proxies for two devices, so each proxy or each device has its own proxy. We are running two proxy processes on this server. Okay, now we are going to the directory states, so because we will be using Salt states for doing in this example. Here we are the directories. Each directory is for its own like script or purpose task. As I said, we will be using CDP protocol, so I created CDP directory, and then we have init.sls file and templates folder. First I will show you init.sls file. So this is a state file, and this is the name of the state. The file could have more states. This one has only one. This is the custom name for the state, so nothing special which has to be used. This is the function which the state will use. It's file.managed, and this function is for creation and editing the text files. Here is the name of our file which we will be creating, the path to it, and here is the name of the file itself. We are using a Salt function grains, which is obtaining general information about our network devices like serial number, host name, operating system, etc. And our text file will have the name according to the host name of the device, and it will be stored here. I'm actually in that folder, and you can see that it is empty now. Then we are specifying the source template, which will be used for generation of the file, and here's the type of the template, which is Jinja. I will show you the template, which is specified in the SLS file. So first we have a variable hostname, which we are assigning a value hostname from grains information to it, and then the second variable result we are connecting to the device using this salt module net.cli, and then we are issuing this command show CDP neighbors, and then we are filtering the data from the JSON format because we want just some specific information. And then the format of the file itself will be device, then value from the variable hostname, and below it will be value from the variable result. Okay, so I will run the script. It's in like this sudo salt. Then we are specifying the proxies. With this our proxies are SW and SW big. With this expression I will match both of them. Then state SLS is general, and then name of our folder, state folder dot init. There was some issue with one of them. Okay, never mind, I will show you just this one. It's these virtual machines sometimes just need a restart. One thing, just very brief. I'll try to briefly fix that. Or just restart the proxy process. Not sure if it will help. Usually when this happens I have to restart the okay. One time. Okay, still doesn't work, never mind. Okay, but for this one we succeeded. It's basically because the socket between our switch and server somehow is stuck or closed. But I will show you this one. Okay, see, so both are created, but I guess SW2 will be empty. So you can see here is the output. Try to display second one. Oh. It actually worked. Somehow. Okay, never mind. This was empty before. Okay, as you can see, here is the. I'll try to run it one more time. The whole time values should change on both. Both are working. SV2. Yes, it's working actually because the whole time has changed. Yeah, okay. So it's just warning or error, doesn't matter. Ah, it actually worked this time, you can see. Okay, nice. So you can see here our generated files for both switches. I can connect them now manually to show you. It is the same. So you can see this. From SW2, so it's this one. Okay, and I can also show you how we filtered that information. So basically we're running this command in our state file, and we filtered, where is it? Yes. Well, if you are doing it in a state file, we will also have this alt dot before net.cli, and then we are filtering it what is under the out section and CDP, because other are not important for us. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. You can ask questions in the comments if you want. Bye bye, see you soon.